Hello everyone and welcome back. We have a game review on here today. This is a Pottery game app. Today we're actually looking at Let's Create Pottery, the #1 Pottery app on the market. When you're in the App Store, look for Create !space Pottery and this will come up. You can actually, this is going to be the older version, the original one here today. You can also get this in a lighter version, but we have the full version here for you today to show you what's available in this game. Okay, so let's look into it and see how we go. By the way, this is actually my first time opening up this game. First impressions, eh? Okay, very nice. Nice sound that we have in there. Okay, so let's go to Let's Create Pottery. Press Create. Touch inside and move your stylus or finger up. Okay, pressing. Oh, okay. Pushing it up. See here on my phone. Pushing it up. Pushing it up. Touch outside and drag inward slowly. Touch outside and drag inward slowly. Pushing in from the middle. Touch inside and drag outward slowly. Touching inside and dragging out. Okay, that's interesting. Well, this game is actually quite nice. It has very nice lighting. You can see there's a glistening on the side on that angle. Very realistic, I guess. Well, visually realistic in terms of gravity and how the clay would actually perform the wheel. If I if I actually made this, if I made this on a real wheel, this would actually collapse on itself. Okay, it's flashing down the bottom. It says firing, so let's press that. And tick. Firing process inside the kiln. I guess this is a bisque firing. Okay, our work has now been bisque fired. It says ready. Oh, a photo on bisque. Down the bottom's flashing cell. So let's press that. And tick. Okay, seems that we're at an auction. And I just sold my first work for $10. Not too bad, I guess. Okay, so our inbox is flashing. I guess that first one, that was the introduction tutorial. Okay, from Art Chloe. She says, nice hobby. She says, hello dear, I heard you found yourself a new hobby. Now you're trying to make pottery, so I'm pretty sure you could use some advice from your old Art Chloe. Here, try to shape a vase looking exactly like the one in the picture I sent you and burn it. And don't forget that pottery requires both skill and patience. When you're done, tap on the send order icon and wait for my next message. Have fun. Aunt Chloe. Okay. So exit that. And we go to create. Okay, so this one's popping out here. Let's put this up in the corner so we can actually see it. Okay, so I guess we need to give this a bit of height. So pressing in the middle and going up. Middle and going up. Middle and going up. Keeping this straight. Try to bring that in at the top a bit there. When I actually lift it up, the rim starts to go wider, which is actually what happens when you pull it up. The centrifugal force pushes that rim out a bit. An interesting point that they've added to this game. Okay, so let's give this a bit of shape. We want to belly this out, so pressing the inside and dragging out. That foot in a bit first. Pushing the inside, going out. Push that neck in a bit. Bring those shoulders out a bit. Not too much. Now I'm doing this on a iPhone 8. I have read that if you use an iPad, because the screen is much larger, you can actually make it a lot smoother. So it is a bit more difficult doing this type of game on a iPhone. Okay, that kind of looks about right, I guess. Maybe a little bit taller. Okay, that's as tall as it's going to go, I think. Okay, so what are we going to do? Hang on, let's press... I won't go into materials yet. Maybe a bit later. I think this is what she wants. Her picture hasn't got any materials added to it, so I think it's just the shape that we're after at the moment. Okay, so let's press on firing. And tick. Not too bad. Oh, there we go. Okay, so not too bad. Well, these graphics are quite nice, actually. And then, what do? We sell it? Yeah, we've taken a photo already, so let's sell it. See what we get. Maybe more than $10, eh? Going at 10. Oh, what? Only $10 again? Okay, well that wasn't too bad. Maybe one more go. Let's try something else. Let's go to create. Oh, it looks like she wants to make that again. Okay, so let's quickly do this. Pull it up. How high can we take it? There we go. Okay, belly this out a bit more. Maybe this time we'll add some material. Have that neck out, about there. Shoulder, bring that neck in. Foot in a little bit. Oh, my throat's gone croaky now. Sorry about that. Okay, that's kind of roughly where we were at last time. Let's try some materials. Okay, we don't have a choice of materials, so that's... Maybe that needs to be unlocked later. Okay, firing. Let's fire. Maybe we weren't supposed to auction it. I don't know. Nice bisque. Okay, that's ready. Ready. Another photo. Okay, what else are we supposed to do? What's AR? Pottery would like to access your camera. Okie dokie. What's this? Oh, maybe this is a... I don't know, it's not working. Maybe I need more space. I think that's that reality thing. They put it up, display it in real-time space. What's Portal? Let's see that one. Comment, share, vote. Okay, so that's, I guess, where you put it onto social media and then people basically rate it and put their comment and put their opinion. What's print? Choose the size of the model you wish to order. Okay, maybe this is a extension to add on to 3D printing. I'm not going to look into that anymore. Okay, let's go to menu. Collection. Yeah, so that's in my collection at the moment. Here. Okay, here's flashing. It says send order. Let's press on that. Click. Tick. Sending. Okay, then we've got name message. Okay, Aunt Chloe again. She says, nice work. Don't worry that your vase was not perfect. Rome was not built in a day. Now, let's move on to something more ambitious. Try to create a nice vase like the red one in the attached picture. You can buy the red paint in the shop. Just remember that painting is all about layers. The more you put them, the more vivid the color will be. I have enclosed 10 coins for you. Oh, and one more thing. You need to burn your item before you paint it. Obviously. Good luck. Okay, so that paint must be glaze that she's talking about. As you need to apply it after firing. And looks like, yeah, because we opened up before, there wasn't anything in the materials. And now there is, so... Looks like it's progression and unlocking items along the way. So yeah, let's leave it there at that. Maybe we'll come back to that. And this is the first version of the game. It is the unlocked version. And there's actually a Let's Create Pottery 2, which maybe we'll go into the next video. Who knows? Stay tuned for that. Subscribe to our channel and to our video list. And that way you can see the other Pottery app videos, games, reviews coming along. So excellent. Thank you for watching and look forward to seeing you in our next one. Cheers.